half of the nails in white, which is the pure white, and the other half is the orchids. And I did coat one, I did apply one layer of the pure white underneath. And then now we're gonna start blending it. Keep it really flat, the parallel, the bristle, and work along. And make sure wipe the brush, the bristle, and then repeat it. If you do it on the real nails, it will take like really fast. You don't have to put the hand down all the time, the fingers, I mean the swatch that I do. Okay. Try to get this fur off from here. Okay. So I am go ahead and key flash key for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do another second coat. 30 seconds. This one looks not bad at all. And then you did the matte top coat on it or shiny. It's just depend on how you like it. And I'm gonna do the second coat on the white. Part. Hey, can you see me from the camera? Any comment? Let me know. Happy Thursday, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay. Again, my bristle is really nice and clean. I'm wipe it off every time. Keep it parallel, like a flat. Instead of 45-degree angle, you will keep them flat like this. And it's really like gently touch it like a feather touch. You don't have to go really aggressive with this. Again. And then it depends on how you like it. If you want like really a lot of like the orchids, the colors. Look, this one, this is the color of the year 2022. Okay, here for 60 seconds. I'm gonna keep blending it, blend, blend.